Steps in getting the measures of dispersion in ungrouped data. Again, the measures of dispersion will include your range, variance, standard deviation, and your coefficient of variation. To get the range, you need to subtract the lowest observation from the highest observation. For example, if you do not want to use the sort option, you may always use the options mean and max to determine the minimum and the maximum numbers respectively. To determine the minimum and the maximum, use the insert function, type minimum, and look for the function mean or min. Click OK, and again, highlight the cells that you would want to include in your analysis. So again, it's A2 to A116. Click OK, and automatically that will be the mean. To get the maximum, insert function, type maximum, and look for the function max or max. Click OK and input the range that you would want to include in your analysis. So it's from A2 to A116. Click OK, and that would be your maximum. Again, to get the range, we subtract the minimum from the maximum. So we use the formula equal sign, open parenthesis, the cell where the maximum number is, minus the cell where the minimum number is, close parenthesis, and click enter, and automatically that will be your range. Now, to get the variance, click insert function, type variance, and look for the function var or var. Click OK, and enter the range that you would want to include in your analysis. So it's from A2 to A116. Click OK, and that would be the variance in this study. Now for the standard deviation, again click insert function, type standard deviation, and look for the function stdev. Click OK, enter the range, OK, and automatically that would be the square root of your variance or your standard deviation. Now to get your coefficient of variation, you need to divide the standard deviation with the mean that you obtained for the dataset and multiply it to 100 to transform it into a percentage. For this example, we will use the formula equal sign, open parenthesis, the cell where the computed standard deviation is, division sign, the cell where the computed mean is, close parenthesis, enter, and then to transform it into a percentage, highlight the cell, click Home tab, and look for the percent style button. And automatically, that will be your coefficient of variation for the ungrouped data of age.